Hello. Okay, I'm going to show you my famous hat trick. Are you ready? It goes like this. See? It's so famous, I've never done it before. 1, 2, 3. Just so proud of myself. Okay, we're going to talk about color and number word sentences. All right, here we go. I'm going to show you a couple objects, and then you're going to tell me what colors to put down and what numbers to use. All right, so the first one I'm going to use, these are one of my favorite fruit. They are telephones. That's correct. Or they're also horns or antlers. I don't know. Let's call them bananas. All right, how many bananas do I have? That's correct. 2. What color are they? That's correct. Yellow, ripe bananas. Okay, so I'm going to write the sentence. I use 2 bananas in my smoothie. Do I have a color word in there? I use 2 bananas in my smoothie. I didn't hear a color word. What color are the bananas? Yellow. Okay. I use 2 yellow bananas in my smoothie. I use 2 yellow bananas in my smoothie. How many words? 8. Make a plan. Here we go. I space use space 2 space yellow space. Do I have enough space to write the word bananas? I don't think so. I'm going to go down to the next line. I use 2 yellow bananas space in space my space smoothies. Period. Okay, now let's check this sentence out. Let's make sure that it is written correctly. Does it start with an uppercase? Yes, it does. It's also the word I, which is a snap word. And that means it's always in uppercase. I space, use space, 2. Is that the right 2 I should be using? Is it 2? Is it 2? Or is it 2? Which 2 is my number word? Spell it. The number word is TWO. Did I use the right 2? Yes, I did. Cool. Good job, me. I use 2 space yellow space bananas space in my smoothies. Cool. It is one sentence. It has a number word and it has a color word. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 more sentences. Here we go. Okay, this time we're going to use this kind of fruit. It's called some people call it an orange. Sometimes we call them cuties. Let's call them cuties for this. That can also be called mandarin oranges. But I want you to tell me the number word. How many will we use for this sentence? How many do you see on this side? How many do you see on this side? 2 plus 3 equals 5 altogether. All right, so 5 is my number word. And this time I'm going to tell you what my daughters love to do. When we've got a lot of cuties, because sometimes they come in a big bag, we slice them in half, and then my daughters just squeeze them and squeeze them and squeeze them, and we make really, really tasty cutie juice, we can call it. All right, so I'm going to tell you more about this. I'm not just going to say, I have 5 oranges. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. So I'm going to make a plan. We squeeze 5 orange cuties and make juice. How many words is that? We squeeze 5 orange cuties and make juice. Okay, let's make sure I've got 8 words. We, uppercase because it's the beginning of a sentence. We space squeeze space 5 space orange color word space cuties space and space make space juice. Okay. Does it begin with an uppercase letter? Yes. Is there space between the words? Yes. Are the rest of the letters lowercase? Yes. Is there an end mark? Is it a period? Question mark? Or an exclamation? What do you think? It's a period. You got it. Okay. Does it make sense? We squeeze 5 orange cuties and make juice. Does that sound right? Does that make sense? Yeah, it does sound right, and it does make sense. Okay. Can you read it? Because writers write, so readers can read. Yes, I can read it. It's nice and neat. It's got space between the words. Okay. Can't see it right there because of the glare, but I did put the E at the end. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and erase this. Last sentence. Now, for Finley's birthday, she turned 5 just a couple days ago, actually. It was really fun. It was a little hard having a birthday party when the friends couldn't show up, but we still had a good attitude about it, and we still celebrated, and we had a great time. One of the gifts I got her were something called Magna-Tiles. And some of you know what Magna-Tiles are. They're plastic. I look like a fisherman. I look like a fisherman today. I don't go fishing, but I look like I do. Anyway, so the Magna-Tiles, that's what I was talking about. The Magna-Tiles are translucent. That means you can see light through them. Like my glasses, whoa, they are translucent. You can actually see light through them. Thank goodness, because I need to be able to see when I wear these. So these translucent Magna-Tiles have magnets on the edges, on the sides of them, and they stick together. But because light can go through them, if you stack them on top of each other, you can actually see the light through them. Now, if I put a yellow one with a green one on top of each other, what color do you see? I'm sorry, a yellow and a blue one, I gave it away. A yellow and a blue one, yellow and blue make green. Those are your primary colors. Okay, so I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to tell you a little bit more. See, I'm going to say Finley has 7 yellow Magna-Tiles and 8 blue tiles. Together, they make green. You tell me if I make any mistakes. I'm going to say make the color. Okay, I'm not feeling very sure about myself. I'm feeling like I may have made a mistake. Can you find any mistakes in here? I'm just gonna scoot over here, and I want you to look over there and see if there's any mistakes on that board. Look closely. It's supposed to say, Finley has 7 yellow magnetiles and 8 blue tiles. Together, they make the color green. Something doesn't look right. Do you see it? I see a few things, all right. First of all, is it starting with an uppercase F for her name? It's the beginning of a sentence and it's a name. No, that's a lowercase. Come on. Finley gets to have an uppercase, just like you. Uppercase F. Finley. As. As is a word, but I thought the word was supposed to be has. I think I need to move that H closer, but I also need to keep the space between words. Finley has, that makes sense. Finley has space. Say, why is he in uppercase? It's in the middle of a number word. Excuse me. You know what? Wait a minute. It's just a mistake. And you know why they make erasers? Because everyone makes mistakes. It's not a big deal. I'm just going to wipe it away with my finger here real quick. Finley has 7. What's a big deal is if you fix it. And I'm actually going to fix that E to make that E look a little nicer too. Finley has 7 space, yellow space, magnetiles space. And what is the A? Let's see, that could be a sentence. Finley has 7 yellow magnetiles. I could put a period there. But I don't usually start sentences with and. That must be a part of the same sentence. Let's get rid of that and put a lowercase. Okay. Finley has 7 yellow magnetiles and 8 space blue tiles. Together, they make it. Oh my gosh, end marks are so important. Do you think I should have put a period, question mark, or an exclamation point? Show someone next to you. I hope you went like this. That's the stop. Stop to the sentence. Put a period. Space. Uppercase. Together, comma. That's not an end mark. You'll learn more about commas as you go into first grade. You'll also see them in the books you're reading with your family. Together, they make Vicalogreen. 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 I thought I was going to say together they make the color green. Is there space between those words? Nope. So it's time to use this. There we go. Just erase all that. Together they make the space, color space, green. And there was a question mark. Is that right? Should it be a question mark? Together, they make the color green? I'm actually telling you, yellow and blue make green. You learned that with Mr. Fortune. You learned that. Those are primary colors coming together, making green. That's not a question. That's a statement. That's a tell. It gets a period at the end. Okay, so you are going to write 6 color and number sentences. And if I do get the hat back on my head, you're going to write 60,000 sentences. Okay, ready? Okay, please go write